Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing front yard privacy fence design ideas and guide for designing stunning front yard privacy fence for style and security. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Your front yard is the first impression your home makes on the world. It's a space that should reflect your personal style and create a welcoming atmosphere. However, sometimes, maintaining privacy in an open environment can be a challenge. This is where front yard privacy fence design comes in. It's the art of balancing security and aesthetics to create a functional and visually appealing barrier. A front yard privacy fence is a barrier strategically placed along the perimeter of your front yard. It serves two primary purposes: privacy and definition. Privacy fences offer a physical and visual barrier, shielding your personal space from prying eyes and unwanted noise. Additionally, they help define the boundaries of your property, adding a touch of structure and visual interest to your front yard. There are several compelling reasons to consider incorporating a front yard privacy fence into your home's design. Here are some key benefits. 1. Enhanced privacy. The most obvious benefit is the increased privacy it provides. Whether you're enjoying a quiet evening on your porch or simply relaxing in your living room, a privacy fence creates a sense of seclusion and security. 2. Improved curb appeal. When thoughtfully designed, a front yard privacy fence can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your property. It can add a touch of elegance, structure, and definition to your front yard, making a lasting impression. 3. Reduced noise pollution. Fences can act as a barrier against noise pollution from the street or neighboring properties. This can be particularly beneficial if you live in a busy or noisy neighborhood. 4. Increased security. A privacy fence can deter unwanted visitors and create a more secure perimeter around your property. This can provide peace of mind for you and your family. 5. Improved property value. A well-designed and maintained front yard privacy fence can potentially increase the resale value of your home. Ready to explore how to design your front yard with a privacy fence that looks stunning? Let's dive in. Creating a beautiful and functional front yard privacy fence requires careful consideration of several factors. Here are some key tips to guide you for designing your front yard with a privacy fence. First, material selection. Choose a material that complements the architectural style of your home. Wood, vinyl, metal, and even living fences, hedges, offer unique aesthetics and functionality. Second, height and style. Consider local regulations and your desired level of privacy when determining the height of your fence. The style, from classic picket fences to modern board and batten, should harmonize with your home's design. Third, landscaping integration. Plants and flowers strategically placed around the fence can soften the look and add a touch of nature. Consider climbing vines or flowering shrubs to enhance the aesthetics. Fourth, gate design. If your fence requires a gate, choose a design that complements the overall style of the fence. Decorative gates can add a touch of personality. Fifth, lighting. Strategically placed lights can enhance the aesthetics and security of your front yard, especially at night. Consider path lights or spotlights to illuminate the area. For a more in-depth exploration of front yard privacy fence design ideas, be sure to visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. While privacy and aesthetics are crucial, budget is also a significant factor to consider. Here are some budget-friendly front yard privacy fence options. 1. Wooden privacy fence panels. Purchase pre-made wooden panels for a cost-effective and relatively easy installation. 2. DIY wood picket fence. For the handy homeowner, building a simple picket fence with treated lumber can be a cost-effective option. 3. Vinyl privacy fence. While vinyl can be pricier upfront than wood, its low maintenance needs translate to long-term savings. 4. Living fence or hedges. Planting fast-growing hedges like arborvitae or Leland cypress offers a natural and cost-effective privacy solution. However, hedges require regular maintenance and time to mature. 5. Chain link fence with privacy slats. Chain link fences are durable and affordable. Adding privacy slats creates a more visually appealing barrier while keeping costs down. 6. Recycled materials. Get creative. Reused materials like pallets or salvaged wood can be transformed into unique and budget-friendly privacy fences. 7. Split rail fence. This rustic option utilizes readily available split logs, making it a budget-conscious choice for certain styles. Remember, even budget-friendly options can be aesthetically pleasing with careful design and execution. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 front yard privacy fence design ideas. 1. Classic white picket fence. The epitome of charm, a white picket fence instantly adds a touch of nostalgia and elegance to traditional style homes. 2. Modern horizontal wood fence. For a clean and contemporary look, horizontal wood planks create a sleek and sophisticated barrier. This style pairs well with modern and mid-century modern architecture. 3. Vertical board and batten fence. Offering a timeless appeal with a touch of modern flair, vertical boards with a batten strip detail provide a classic yet sophisticated aesthetic. This option is versatile and complements various architectural styles. 4. Wrought iron fence with greenery accents. Exuding a touch of grandeur, a wrought iron fence adds a touch of sophistication. For a softer touch, consider incorporating climbing vines or strategically placed planters with cascading greenery. This design is a perfect complement to French country or Victorian homes. 5. Living fence or hedges. A natural and eco-friendly option, well-maintained hedges create a beautiful and privacy-enhancing barrier. Choose fast-growing varieties like arborvitae or Leland cypress for quicker results. 6. Split rail fence with climbing vines. For a touch of rustic charm, a split rail fence adds a down-home feel, especially for farmhouse or ranch-style homes. Let climbing vines like clematis or morning glories soften the look and add a pop of color throughout the seasons. 7. Metal privacy fence with wood accents. Durable and low maintenance, metal privacy fences come in various styles and colors. Adding a wood cap or incorporating wooden posts can create a warmer and more inviting aesthetic. 8. Privacy fence with latticework top. This design offers a touch of visual intrigue while providing partial privacy. Light can filter through the latticework, creating a sense of openness while still offering a barrier from the street. Climbing vines can further enhance the look and soften the lines. 9. Combination fence. Don't be afraid to mix and match materials. For a unique and visually interesting design, combine wood and metal or incorporate sections of latticework with solid panels. 10. Privacy fence with integrated lighting. Enhance the aesthetics and security of your front yard, especially at night, with strategically placed lighting. Consider path lights along the base of the fence or spotlights to illuminate key areas. This can add a touch of modern flair and improve nighttime visibility. Front yard privacy fence design offers a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. By considering your needs, style preferences, and budget, you can create a beautiful and effective barrier that enhances the privacy and curb appeal of your home. Visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more in-depth discussions on front yard privacy fence design and discover a world of inspiration to transform your front yard into a private and stylish haven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design tips and tricks. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.